So let's continue. Now, of course, I will say this myself, right? If there's going to be any way to put me with arts, I would say that I'm not a good artist, but I'm pretty good chartist. Okay, so that's whereby I'm going to share with you what I cover on Friday and what happened to the market on its own. All right. So last Friday, I basically tell you that the Dow Jones will likely be going higher. I draw it up and I say that it will be going to 35,049. Now that day when it was talking about this, it was 34,957. I said that it will go higher, and truth be told, the Dow Jones went up, but of course much higher than I suspected. I thought that it will go up at least to 35,049, but it went up even higher to close at 35,305 level. So the thing is this, I mean, direction was correct, but the accuracy of it wasn't there. So of course, some people say that, hey, Cal, it wasn't that accurate. I had to buy that, but at least I got the main direction correct. So that is the first thing that's most important, correct? But of course, when I said this for DAX, that was a bit better. I said that DAX itself, right, will likely open and go higher. Why is that so? Because it's above the moving average 200, above the moving average 30. And this is a very powerful breakout point. So therefore, I said that the DAX will go up to 15,610. I mentioned that. I gave a specific level. I explained to you why it will go there. And of course, what the DAX did, wow, not bad. The DAX really almost hit the point there. The market closed about 15,595, missed my target by about 10 points, which I think likely this morning, later today, it will trigger. So I was pretty on strike on. You can see that, right? The level that I said and the market itself really pretty spot on, guys. So if you think that I was spot on, please key the word spot on, okay? At least for this, all right? Okay, now while you're typing in itself and sharing your friend, look at this. This is the one that I really got myself stunned. Now this is gold at 1794 on Friday. Okay, gold was trading at 1794 on Friday. Can you see that? Okay, and that was in the morning about 10 a.m. Then I mentioned that if gold is to come down, gold will go down to 1767. I mentioned that gold will go down to 1767. Now, at that moment itself, right, many people was like very stunned with this particular call because they were telling me that, Kel, look, the market itself broke the triangle trend, is going up, and it was a very big upthrust here itself, so there should be higher movement. I say, yes, you are not wrong, but I told them that if the market broke a specific level, that's 1792, right? I said that if gold breaks below 1792, there will be some selling because the pivot 2 itself is 1790. So I said it very clearly. Once the market breaks below OP and pivot 2, now this is a TWB system. When the market breaks below OP and pivot 2, can you tell me, guys, those are my students, below OP, below opening price, below P2, what should you do, guys? Please key your answer right now. Tell me your answer. Below OP, below P2, what should you do as a student of TWB? Can you write it down for me? Or I basically get some water for myself to clear my throat a little bit. Thank you. All right, below OP and below pivot 2, what should you do, all my TWB student? Now, for those who just joined us, please kindly like this posting and share with all your friends, because this is a live sharing and there's loads of great information. You will not regret this from sharing this. Your friend will thank you for that later on. It is a very good session today. I can guarantee you this. Every Monday itself, I try to give you the best sharing. All right. So the thing is this, below OP, below pivot 2, you should look out for selling. You should look out for selling. And of course, what happened? Everybody take a look at the market itself. Oh my goodness, take a look. It is phenomenal. It is crazy because I said that the gold will come down to 1767. And the crazy part of this is that the market really came down all the way and closed perfectly. You see that? It closed perfectly at 1767. Oh my goodness. It closed perfectly at the level that I mentioned. Now, do note once again, if you look back again the tape, okay, let's look back the tape again. Everybody take a look. Now, you look at it. The market itself, right, the goal was trading 1794, and I said that goal will come down to 1767. Now, this is done early in the morning, all right, early in the morning. You can see that this MAO was done early in the morning. And I mentioned that it would have 1767. And truth be told itself, what happened to the gold market? It really came down and closed at 1767. Really incredible. This is whereby I can only tell you this. This is our TA. This is how good we are. Then join us, okay? Traders, join us, because we really can tell you really impressive stuff and we don't mince our words. All right, thank you, Janet, for doing that itself. Thank you, Eric, for doing that. Thank you very much. Okay, all right. So with that,